Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Fire Escape Engineers, Inspector Cunha. Here I am on the front doing a visual ground inspection with binoculars. As you can see, these balconies warrant a little cement work on the corners and the spaces on the gratings, because you can see some of them off track already, warranting further investigation on top. And as you can see, they're all coming down. All have rivets on the railings, original hardware, and as you can see, could use a spotty paint job. And as I'm moving in to the next one, as you can see in the middle of the 4 here, on this one, the first 2 warrant further investigation because it's on a cement slab. You have to get on it and check for the cement. And as up on the top of the railings there, you should be able to see some rust already. That's pretty bad. And as you go up, you'll see that the first 2 warranted cement work. Go up and take a look. And on the 3rd one way up, and the 4th one, you can see all original hardware. Some of the spaces already between the gratings, you can see them turning. Have to get on it to more investigation. And as I'm coming up to the left, as you can see, this one right there on the cement and the corner need a little cement work, as you can see. Also in the other little corner over there, and not on the edge. Same thing on the second one up there, as you can see, going across right there to the other one, and further up as we go. And as you can see, all original hardware, rivets, square head bolts, anywhere from 50 to 75 years plus. Inspector Cunha signing off, and this thing is in due of a spot paint job.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.